Right, top blankers here for a late night session, and I'm here with Jake, the top blanker.
Jake the Snake today with this
He
shirt.
can blank.
Jake the Snake Roberts.
What are we catching?
I'll probably get a bream if I'm lucky.
Well, we're both here to catch barbel, but we don't want any bream. I'd take an hide. Had an hide out of here last week. Jordan hide, £4.2. Right, we found a spot. I'm out of breath. We've walked about, well, 2 miles, but it's not 2 miles, but yeah. Okay, now I'm going to set 2 barbel rods up and I'm going to have a spin further down that way and that way, but nowhere near him because he loves a good snag, does that lad? Snag. No one can hear you. On the perch rod.
Junior.
I'm kicking my ass, do you mind?
I can see me backing up tonight, I've just got this feeling.
If I saw myself in those clothes, I'd have to kick my own ass.
Hey, I've got a feeling I'm going to absolutely have smoke from off this reel in about 15 minutes.
He's not gonna.
Clean that reel.
Old Smoky.
Smoky the pancake?
Smoky!
Banging a waffle?
Do you know what? I hate this bit.
What?
I absolutely hate this bit. Let me just show these.
Smoky the pancake? Banging a waffle?
I've glugged them. Shrimp and krill.
You're fried.
I ain't actually caught on. Oh no, I've had one on them. Sticky krill.
Have you caught them sticky?
Palito, but look at these here.
You ordered some new.
I've seen thicker toggies.
Oh, is that horrendous bit here?
Yeah.
I'm fishing feeding.
Garlic and cheese.
You put garlic and cheese in both?
Garlic and no, and shrimp and krill. And whatever that fucking wrong and.
Are you putting them busters on?
You're in already. Your rod just went. That's an hide. That's a bream. That's the bream. That's the breamer. What are you saying, Jake? Aye. How many do you think you're going to catch tonight?
Well, I ain't going to be greedy. The way I'm going at the moment, I'll take one. I'm more than happy with one fish.
A bream?
Not a bream.
Are you sure about that? Right, I've got both barbel rods out. One's in middle, one's stuck other side. I'm going to set up my perch rod because there's quite a lot of bait fish swimming about and I can see a few predator fish attacking them on top, so hopefully I'll be able to get one on bank. What is that? I'm a doer. Any of you son, come down here and untie this for me because that is absolutely shocking. Right. 10 minutes later. Got my son some of these top water lures. That little propeller on back, 2 treble hooks, semi-barbed, £1.30, can't really complain. I bought like 6 of them, so you get free shipping. Right, let's have a cast.
No point getting my net on. Yeah? Get ready with that. Because I can catch a fish. I don't even have to look. First cast. Top water lure. I'll get net.
Nah, it's only a babby.
Pike in it?
Little baby pike. Little Jackie.
Got a perch. What net?
Nice little perchy.
They're going to show us at camera. Okay, bye. What are you doing to me, fish? Okay, right, go on then. He wants to go back. I can catch fish. I need to bring that camera down. Tom, look at this. What? That little fish there was jumping all over. What was chasing it? Do what?
Over here. Just had a little jack pike. Don't really want to catch pike. I'm after perch, but plenty of oxygen in this river, so you can. If you do catch a pike, it's not end of world. This will be a fish. This. It's when I stopped it last time on top of water. Just keep giving it little breaks, and it was getting hit.
Jackie Chan.
I ain't picking it up.
Last time I picked them up, I got bit.
Unhook it in water.
My back. There's a fucking sheep stalking us.
Oh, I'd have showed you that pike, but it swam out at net, and we're getting stalked by sheep. Okay. What? He wants some. Don't even think about it, Gary. Oh, it's a waiting game now. Jake's having a go at low rod. He's definitely going to get snagged up though. He loves it. Have you had one yet? Blanca. Mr. Blanca. Put some bait out with this horrendous state of that. It's not fit for purpose. Not fit for purpose. Half of it falls on floor. Half of it falls on floor and fucking sheep come and mop it up. But it's no good. Spicy sausage. A few spicy sausage pellets out, 6mm. I'm just going to drip feed them out throughout the couple of hours that we're here tonight. Who's sponsored?
You.
He's not sponsored. He's sponsored by Mr. Blanco.
I'm sponsored by Blanking.
He's sponsored by Snagsy Blanco. Here he goes. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, get a nice little perch. Or a decent one.
Call me the perch.
I love it on top here. Perch and pike though, they do love top water lure on this section. We need a barbel. He especially needs a barbel. Don't you, Jake? You need a barbel tonight. He's pulling out all big dogs with garlic and cheese boilies that he's found, all glugged up. I don't know. Smile for the camera. What are you saying? Catch a fish. Like a snail or something. Right. I'm gonna try this little bit away, see if I can get a few perch. Camera. Well, that lure's getting chucked. It's horrendous.
Is that the
What
one
do
you
you
found?
Yeah. No wonder I found it.
No wonder they didn't want it back.
No wonder they didn't want it back.
Special.
I have caught on it though. You saying?
I've got absolutely nothing so far. I'm blanking my nuts off. Just want to show you something. Is that baby here?
Get that away from me.
42!
That is a beauty. Hey, I'll just show you, go through my mix and like, you know what I mean? So, I've got right here some big river, or shrimp and krill with a bit of sauna bits, krill, ground bait, only a little bit in my mix. Got these Uzios, giving them a whirl. And on big river garlic and cheese. You know what I mean, buddy? What do you say, fried nugget boy?
I smell a blank. I reckon it's too wide here. Definitely a blank. For a barbel anyways.
Yeek! Yeek! Yeek!
Peanuts?
I reckon just me speaking to a guy just walked by. He was like that to me.
What did he say? There's been some big barbel.
He said there's some big barbel, £11 caught down here. So hopefully tonight, with my lucky shirt on, and he did also say, you're that guy off YouTube, aren't you? Making them horrendously good videos.
He said, what did he say? Something about flexing or something. I have no idea what he's on about.
He said this guy's here gets his t-shirts from other cars.
You're fucking damn right I do.
So no take you happy girl, Matt.
You be careful where you're fucking casting that thing out.
This is a £20.
This is a £20 log incoming. Here's Johnny. It's a blank. We're videoing.
Blankety blink, blankety blink. See that rod of mine over
That
there?
shirt's horrendously good. It's a mystic. If anyone needs a barbel, it's that guy right there. Oh God. When we off to Trent?
Sunday.
What Sunday? Who's off?
Me, you, me, Craney.
We're off. We'll be doing a video down at Trent. We didn't do well last time, did we? The river was absolutely horrendous. We spoke to about 60 people. One person had caught a barbel. It was more like a camping session, wasn't it? And they just went to a pub for some food. But yeah, I'm gonna go for one night. This guy's gonna go for 2 nights in Eater.
Are we doing a are we going to go to Barbie?
Do a barbie.
We're gonna do a
Put
barbie.
another shrimp on the barbie. Thing is, right, when we get this light put on, so we can get a bit more visibility, the bugs are absolutely terrible around here. Like I've been bit to death, even with that spray that he gave us before, which I'm still convinced it wasn't bug repellent.
Oh,
Your bug repellent you gave us last time.
I want to keep the shirt on, but I'm getting quite cold, so I'm going to put the jumper over the top of the shirt. That's how I roll.
Second or
Third video.
Third video. We're gonna change it up, I think, next time, aren't we? Maybe. And we might do one more barbel and then go for a little bit of a mission on some smaller rivers and try catch a few perch.
You know what I might do?
Chub.
I think we should have a match.
Who, me and you? Well,
Course match.
Where?
Just go to anywhere, river, pond, just get some maggots.
I'm
Take
up for
keep,
that.
mate.
We'll have a match then. Sneeko versus fucking
Rico.
Rico. Sneeko versus Rico.
Welcome to the Pro League.
Shut it. Stinker rabies.
Going off loads now.
You just shot it.
Yeah.
Like a long cane pollock. Shot, sorry.
Make it rain. They call me the
I'm
fishing.
gonna put you. But I'm gonna put Benny Hill, but like a remix, my own remix version over it.
They call me the fishing final boss.
Fishing. This is the final blank down. And I'm done. Can't take him anywhere. Cut it out. Right, we finished up.
Turn that baby off.
What have we done?
I've blanked again.
We have blanked. Well, we had a
Top blank.
top blankers. Had a couple of pike and a perch, but didn't really want to catch them. But yeah, right.
Top blanket.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
yeah.